Hello guys, and welcome back to another how to do video or something, and I'll be showing you today how to use OBS Studio. Well, basically it is a streaming platform that people use to live stream to Twitch, YouTube, Facebook, and so much more socials, and I will be showing you just now. And you can also download it on obs.com.au, on Google, on Mac, and you can also get programs like Room Webcam or Webcam Master, so you can link your phone to your computer to use that. So let's get into the video. Guys, as you guys can see, I already have OBS Studio installed on my computer, and it's about to open. And it should. Okay, so here it is. So here is all the input. So down here, you can do updates. Sorry, my sister's whacking some things in the background. So it's application, input capture, output capture, browser, display capture, game capture, image, slideshow, video capture for cameras and all that, and media sources. Sorry, my sister's making a lot of noise. You can add scenes, where the screen is, start recording, visual camera studio mode, so you can put two screens at the same time. And then here are the settings. You've got all the appearance where all the stuff is. My sister's making a lot of noise in the background.
Sorry.
And then down here, stop it. And then there's some other stuff. Okay, here's all the noise. So all the microphones, you can connect headphones to monitor audio, and all the push and move buttons. And there's video where you monitor all the aspect ratios, the resolution and all that. Hotkeys, like what these, you could assign a button to do something. Accessibility, or advanced, where you attach everything. You can press apply to do the settings. And then so you take off the video capture. Here you show all the things. Files, you can go show recordings in there. And then in here, when you actually want to stream a video, you can press one of these things or more and connect account, sign in with your stuff, and you'll be able to get it. And then there's like transitions. You can add all your stuff, like zoom in and out, select window, and that's where all your comments and sections will happen over there. So there's your scenes, profile, docs, view, edit, tools, and all that. And you can go show onto YouTube. Also Twitch, you can link your Twitch account to make it do that. And so yeah, it's a pretty cool app. It's got pretty cool features. So let's say I want to add my camera, my laptop camera. Let's switch it on. And boom, it was already on. And you guys can see it. So the laptop camera is already on. You can see that. Now, if you want to, you can also link and input capture with audio. Image slideshow, and so much more. So it's a really good app for streaming, and so much more in it. So if you do a stream, you can add your camera up top there and in a game. So I'll show you with the capture. So I'll show you to do a display capture. So and then put it down there if you want. Or you could put. I usually, if I was going to do a video like this, a stream, I would probably put my camera. I would zoom it out. Zoom it out just a bit more. And then put this most of the size. And then you can zoom it out and frame it however you like it. Yeah, it's got really cool features to it. So if you want to add lots of things, you can also do that. Properties with all the stuff. And with the audio, you can check all the properties, like how it works and all that. You can probably change some things in your phone settings. And text scenes, so yeah, you can stream it. Settings of the app. It's a really good streaming app to use and all that. And thanks for watching, everyone. And I'll see you in the next one. Follow for more tips and tricks and check them out on Lola Unwrapped Daily.